Hello everybody. Today I updated xEconomy for the new Minecraft snapshot 20W21A, and I patched quite a few bugs and made some quality of life changes, but I did add a couple of new features and I hope you guys are ready for this. So yeah, I'm just gonna ready here. That's me. Alright, so the first change here, as we install the data pack, it actually is now in a .zip format for the folder, or for the file here. I decided to ditch the whole GitHub source code type deal because nobody is really using it, and it's just, I don't know, it's more of a hassle than anything beneficial because people would have to go to GitHub, hit clone/download, and they have to get a zip folder, then they had to open it with WinRAR, then get the inside folder, then that's what they install. But people are having problems, and so I just decided to ditch GitHub and just chill with just one zip file. So yeah, I'm no longer going to be updating source code on GitHub, but it's still up there if you want to take a look on how it works. But yeah, that's pretty much that's a small one. Yeah. I patched a bug here that was involving XIDs not being assigned when you first load the data pack. It was just, I don't know what happened, but Minecraft, I guess they just changed the way a command works. And I don't know why. Like it made no sense to me, so I had to code like a workaround for it. And so yeah, when you load the data pack, you won't have an XID of 0. You'll instantly be given an XID, and yeah, that was a problem some people were having. Another thing is I added a little settings panel here. So, if we just do set display sidebar X settings, we have these settings here, and I'm just gonna go through. First one here, it's list ID 1. Basically now, when you launch the data pack, in the tab, it will constantly force the tab in the display to have an XID of, it will just show the XIDs right next to the players. This is because people are having troubles with data packs overwriting the XIDs, which wasn't cool. And so yeah, I just coded that, so no matter what you set it to, it will constantly change back to XIDs. But let's just say you had you wanted a health bar up there and you don't really use my data pack as much as I plan for people to be. You can just do scoreboard players set list ID X settings 0, and then it will no longer force it up there. So let's change it back to 1. All right, so next thing is that yeah, we have Playtime officially in the game now. Set of plugin for the pack. I just coded it directly into the pack. And this is pretty cool because people have been asking for Playtime. And asking you shall receive, fellas. I coded Playtime into the game. This can all be configured with these settings here in X settings. So scoreboard players set, enable Playtime, X settings 1, and that will enable Playtime itself. And it will actually be tracking players' playtime. And then these two things here, so PT payout and PT requirement. Requirement is how many minutes of playtime you need in order to get the payout. So in this case, 15 minutes of playtime will get you $20. And you can actually view people's playtime records by scoreboard objectives set display sidebar XPT records. This will count up in-game ticks to 1 minute, and then it will add a minute to everybody's record here. So let's actually wait for that. So just raw. Give it a sec. There you go. Now I have 1 minute of playtime since I enabled playtime. So that will count up to 15, and then it will give me the $20. So let's actually speed up that process. Scoreboard players add at S, XPT records. Let's just add, yeah, 13. So now we're at 14, and once we'll get to 15, it'll say that's not supposed to happen. Wait a second. All right, I'm gonna change something in the pack here. I might have mixed up two variables, which is quite an easy fix. So I'm just gonna, let's see the damage. Yes, XPT payout. PT playout, that is. Oh, okay, it was just a wrong message. It gave us the right amount. So if we look down, yeah, balance 20 slash trigger bell. Yeah, $20. Just a message glitch, which is okay. Okay. I need to actually close Minecraft here quick. Alright, so the pack's reloaded. Yeah. Good. Forget you saw that. But yeah, let's see if it works now. So scoreboard players set at S. XP records 15. Yeah, $20 has been added to your account. That's that. I almost released that. Good thing I make videos before I release anything here. So I'm gonna get that started up. Oh god. Okay. So the next thing we have as a feature is now shops now give off a redstone pulse when they are successfully used. And this site can do that. So I'm gonna log on here. Yeah. Okay, so let's just make a shop here quick. Alright, there you go here. Here's our shop. And let's just give players free diamonds. So, whoopsies, don't want, uh-oh, that wasn't good. Lost my items there. Alright, so shop price is now 0. Yep, so it works. One item for $0, so one diamond for $0. Let's get poor Nikki over here. So, by default, like, you buy an item. Sorry. You buy an item, nothing happens at the back here. Yeah, of course, why would something happen? But if you place a stone block now, and it activates, it actually gives a short pulse of redstone signal. This could be used pretty much however you want it, so it's works with repeaters. Yeah, it's redstone, so everything should work with it. A good example of why this would be useful is like buying full sets of armor. So here's what you could do. You could have, please, this is sloppy, but here's the concept. Alright, so if you were to have, let's just say, I need to edit the shop quick. Let's grab some diamond boots. Oops. Yeah, take all these out. Let's sell some diamond boots. Let's just say we want to sell a full set of diamond armor. We could have, so the boots themselves be in the shop, and then the rest of the armor pieces would be in dispensers. So you can sell multiple items at once. So yeah, a full set of armor here. So let's just see this in action. Yeah, so I'm just gonna buy. Yeah, so I got all my armor here. Nice and coated here. And yeah, that's a good use for it. If you want to be malicious, I'm sure you could figure out some sort of trap. But yeah, that's redstone integration. Yeah. Do be aware though, if you place any redstone block behind it, it will be turned into a stone block. I couldn't figure out any way of like preventing that. So that's something we're just gonna have to deal with technical limitations. And yeah, that pretty much covers almost all the new features in xEconomy here. I forgot to mention there is one bug fix that I did make. Usually if you'd sell more than one item, I don't know how to explain this, but if you would sell more than one item to the shop, there is a chance that instead of giving you um the right amount of items back, it would actually give you a random set of items, and which would correspond to like any item drops nearby. So if I were to buy something or sell something to a shop, there would be a good chance that it'd copy the data from this redstone and give me a bunch of redstone. Or whatever nearby item. I don't know why that happened, but I fixed it, and it's not a problem anymore. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is xEconomy, and yeah, here's the version for you guys. 2005-20, or what's 20,520, and I'm gonna start doing versions now by the date that they were made. So, it goes basically year, month, day. So 2020, so that's the 20. The month is 05, which is May. And then the 20 is May 20th. Yeah, so May 20th, 2020 is when this version was released. So yeah, I hope you guys like this update. Uh, link will be in the description like normal. And yeah, hope to see you guys later.